The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Taylor County in west-central Texas, northwestern Callahan County in west-central Texas, and southeastern Jones County in west-central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and dangerous tornado was spotted over Hodges, or over Hawley, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous tornado. This storm will be at Abilene at around 7:30, Clyde at around 7:50, Barrett at around 8, and Morin at around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.